Welcome to the PJO Insurance Brokerage Podcast. We cover different topics on business insurance in order to help you choose the appropriate coverage. We believe that being properly insured is just good business sense, and our experienced brokers will help design an insurance program specifically for your company's needs. At PJO Insurance Brokerage, we put our clients' needs first and foremost.
In this episode, we'll discuss why life insurance is a cornerstone of your financial future and how it goes beyond simply replacing lost income to safeguard your family's lifestyle and long-term financial security. Life insurance is a powerful financial tool that provides peace of mind by ensuring the financial security of your loved ones in the event of your passing. When it comes to planning for the future, life insurance stands out for its unique ability to offer long-term financial stability, providing a safeguard against the unexpected. Life insurance provides the opportunity to leave a lasting legacy, ensuring your family maintains their lifestyle and financial security in your absence, going beyond just replacing lost income. In this podcast, we will explore why life insurance is an essential part of your financial strategy, the key advantages it provides, and how it can help you secure the future of those who matter most. First, let's explore the primary advantage of life insurance, providing financial security and creating a lasting legacy. Life insurance is the cornerstone of a sound financial strategy, offering long-term financial stability in a way that no other financial product can. So, it is designed to provide lasting protection that extends well beyond your lifetime. The primary advantage of life insurance is that it ensures your family is financially secure, even when you are no longer there to provide for them. It does this by offering several core benefits, including replacing lost income, covering debt and financial obligations, supporting future goals, and providing legacy planning. These benefits are crucial because they offer more than just immediate relief. They ensure that your family's long-term financial goals can still be met. Whether it's buying a home or taking care of other essential needs, life insurance is a powerful way to ensure your family's future is safeguarded. Now, let's delve into strategies for safeguarding your family's financial stability. The most immediate and practical benefit of life insurance is that it safeguards your family's financial stability by replacing your income in the event of your death. If you are the primary earner in your household, your passing could leave your family struggling to cover daily living expenses. Life insurance acts as a financial cushion during this difficult time, offering a payout that can cover the following expenses: mortgage payments to ensure your family retains their home, day-to-day living expenses to maintain their standard of living, and educational costs, including tuition fees for children or future education plans. Without life insurance, your family might be forced to make drastic lifestyle changes. They could face the difficult decision of selling assets, like the family home, or depleting savings that were meant for other important goals. However, with the right life insurance policy, your family can continue to live their lives without the added stress of financial instability. Next, let's examine the importance of replacing lost income and how to achieve it. A life insurance policy is designed to replace the income lost when the primary earner passes away. It can provide monthly or lump sum payments to ensure that your loved ones are not financially burdened. Consider this: if you earn a salary that supports your family's needs, your death could leave a significant gap. Life insurance helps fill that gap by providing a sum that can help your family maintain their current lifestyle. This is especially important if you have dependents or other financial obligations, such as children, elderly parents, or a spouse who relies on your income. For example, let's say you have a spouse and 2 children. Your life insurance policy could provide enough money to cover everyday expenses, such as groceries, transportation, and utilities, as well as the costs of raising children through their teen years and beyond, including higher education. In short, life insurance ensures your loved ones won't face unnecessary hardship due to the loss of your income. Let's not overlook the importance of covering debts and fulfilling your financial obligations. In addition to replacing income, life insurance can also help pay off debts that you may leave behind. Debt doesn't disappear when someone passes away, and it can become a burden for surviving family members. If you carry significant debt, such as a mortgage, car loans, or credit card balances, life insurance can help ensure that these debts are settled upon your passing, so your family doesn't inherit them. The proceeds from your life insurance policy can be used to pay off these financial obligations, relieving your loved ones from the stress of handling them. This is especially important for people who have significant financial commitments. For instance, If you have an outstanding mortgage, life insurance can ensure that the mortgage is paid off, allowing your family to remain in the home without financial strain. If you have credit card debt, a life insurance policy can cover those balances, preventing them from becoming an issue for your family. It's a responsible way of ensuring that your financial legacy is protected and doesn't create additional stress for your loved ones. Always keep in mind the importance of supporting your future goals, including education and retirement planning. Another crucial benefit of life insurance is its ability to support your family's future financial goals, particularly planning for education or retirement. The cost of higher education has been rising steadily over the years, and without life insurance, funding your children's education might become a challenge. For many, life insurance helps set aside funds to support children's education. If you pass away unexpectedly, a life insurance policy can provide the necessary funds to ensure that your children can attend college or university without the burden of student loans. Similarly, life insurance can help secure your own retirement plans. Many life insurance policies come with investment components, like whole or universal life, that allow the policy to accumulate cash value over time. This cash value can be used to supplement your retirement savings, ensuring you have the financial freedom to enjoy your later years without worry. Finally, discover how to ensure legacy planning and peace of mind for your loved ones. One of the most significant advantages of life insurance is that it enables legacy planning. You can leave behind a legacy for your loved ones, a lasting gift that helps them pursue their dreams and protect their future. This can be particularly important for those who wish to provide for multiple generations. For example, you might want to leave a legacy for your children or grandchildren, ensuring that they have the financial resources to live fulfilling lives. You can set up your life insurance policy to ensure that these funds are used for important milestones, such as buying a home, starting a business, or furthering their education. Life insurance offers invaluable peace of mind, knowing that your loved ones won't be left financially vulnerable. Experienced insurance brokers can help you navigate your options and create a comprehensive plan tailored to your needs and those of your family. Remember, securing your family's future starts with a comprehensive life insurance plan. Contact PJO Insurance Brokerage for expert guidance and tailored solutions. Now that we've explored why life insurance is essential for long-term financial stability, it's time to take action. If you're ready to protect your family's financial future and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your loved ones will be taken care of, the next step is to get in touch with an expert. At PJO Insurance Brokerage, our professionals are ready to guide you through the process of selecting the right life insurance policy for your needs. Whether you're looking to replace income, cover debt, or support future goals, we, a top-rated insurance company in Arizona, can help you choose the best solution for your unique situation. Contact us today to learn more about how life insurance can protect your family and provide the financial security they deserve. We are here to help you secure the future. Call PJO Insurance Brokerage today at 480-248-7495 or visit us online at pjobrokerage.com.
Thank you for listening to the PJO Insurance Brokerage podcast. Our brokers have over 60 years of combined insurance experience, and we are committed to performing above the rest. If you would like to experience what it's like to work with business insurance professionals committed to superior customer service, please call PJO Insurance Brokerage to set up an appointment and review your company's specific insurance needs.